Hey everybody, it's Jasmine, and today I want to share with you guys my morning skincare routine. Now, the skincare routine itself, this does not change, honey. This is pretty much my staple, and so I hope you guys really enjoy. Now, I did mention in my last video that I'm gonna upload a skincare routine covering like my actual skin and how I got it to heal. That one, it's still in the making, still in the process. I'm still trying to clear my face and I'm still testing products for that. But for this video, this is kind of just showing you guys how I prep my skin for makeup application or if I'm just running out the house to do errands. Now, this is pretty crucial for me because I like to stay hydrated and I like to make my skin look very dewy and luminous. So there are a lot of factors that go into that. Here I have my Body Shop Chinese Ginseng and Rice toner, and then I also have the Tea Tree toner, and then I also have the Vitamin E Essence Lotion. Now, you've seen this in my video where I take off my makeup. So I implement this in both my morning and night routine because toners balance your pH, and then the Essence Lotion is just great for hydration. Now for today, I think I want to just go in with the Chinese Ginseng and Rice toner simply because I've been using a lot of tea tree in my night routine and I just feel like that's drying out my skin just a little bit because tea tree in general, it's going to dry out your skin regardless. Now before I go into the Essence Lotion, I'm just going to add some aloe to my face. This is by Sunbum, and the reason why I don't use the actual aloe plant is because when I actually started using aloe on my face, the aloe plant itself made my skin itch, and I don't know why. I don't know why. It was organic. I don't know. So I just stuck with the gel, and the gel just worked just fine for me. It helps with a lot of my redness and irritation on my skin because I did use a product that made my skin really inflamed and really irritated, and so this has just been helping me out as of recently. I'm gonna go in with the Vitamin E Essence Lotion. I'm just gonna do that much, and then I'm just going to pat it into the skin. And then with whatever is left, I'm going to massage it into the neck. I think it's really important to always bring down excess product to the neck because you always neglect it. Before I go in with moisturizer, I actually go in with sunscreen, and guys, it was so hard. So hard trying to find a sunscreen that was cruelty free and that just didn't leave a white cast on my face, and it was just really hard. I did a lot of returns. I bought so many sunscreens, and this one was the only one that I found really worked. This is the Sunbum Face 50. Now this is lightweight, oil-free, it's fragrance-free, breakout-free, dermatologist-tested, gluten-free, and vegan. Amazing stuff. And what I love about this is that it is watery and runny, and it is not thick, and it's not too physical, you know what I mean? And so that's what I really love about this sunscreen. I kind of just pat it into the skin and then work it in. You know what? I'm going to take some of this aloe. I don't know why it's red. Was I itching? I don't know. I'm actually really cold right now, and I'm like trying to look like summer aesthetic, but I'm so cold. I'm suffering. I finally found a really good drugstore moisturizer, and it's cruelty free, it's affordable, and it's a dupe for a high-end product. Like, I hit jackpot. I really did, and I don't hear anybody talking about this, and I'm so surprised because it's such an amazing product. This is the Pacifica Coconut Probiotic Technology Water Rehab Cream. This is so dead on a dupe for the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. Dead on dupe. I kid you not. It is the exact same thing, and it's only $10. It also says that the coconut water in this cream promotes a luminous, dewy, and radiant glow, which is, like I said, what I always go towards. And so I kind of just take a small dollop of this and then just run it on my face, and it just is so nice. The coconut smell smells so much better than the Too Faced one. I feel like the Too Faced one smells stale. And after all that is done, I just go in with my Mara Badescu facial spray. And that wraps us up, you guys. It's all very, very simple, and it's just products that I think everybody should own. Everybody should have aloe. Everybody should have SPF implemented in their skincare routine. Everybody should have a really good moisturizer. And I'm so glad that everything that I shared with you guys are cruelty free, and they're all pretty much affordable. And so I hope you guys really enjoy this video. And as always, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.